Looking for a better way to showcase and share your products and services? Check out Katalog on the WhatsApp Business app, highlighting everything your customers need to know, like pricing, pictures, descriptions of your products. Here's how to get started. Open the WhatsApp Business app. Go to Settings. Business Settings. Select Katalog. If you don't see Katalog listed under Business Settings, update your app. Add product or service. Tap on plus icon to add images of the products you wish to showcase. Provide a name and brief description for each product. You can also provide product links and SKU codes to help keep track of your catalog items. Tap Save. Your catalog is now ready. You can also showcase different types of products and services that you offer. Share these products with your customers directly from the catalog. To see more videos about WhatsApp business tools and features, subscribe to WhatsApp on YouTube.